Hey, hi there, beep beep, it's your Jeep Diva Cindy, and I am here to share with you how easy it is to use an eyeliner and some tips of the eyeliner do's and don'ts. First off, when choosing an eyeliner, I actually like one that you don't use a pencil for. What this is, if you notice, okay, it goes in, it's what we call mechanical, now it's not there, and now it's there, so you can do whatever size you want, okay? I also like a waterproof because I don't want it like going all over the place and making me look like I have dark underneath my eyes. One very important tip of eyeliner. If you just want to use it on top, that's fabulous. But you do not use it on the bottom without using it on the top. That's a fashion faux pas. So top and in underneath, great. Just top, perfect. Now, so many people go like this to try to stretch out their eye to put it on. And I understand why. Because what happens is we come across, and especially when we get more interesting of age, our skin starts to do the crinkly thing. And then we have skippy lines, right? That's like, or it pops, and then we get one up here and one down here, and it looks crappy. That's why I love my way of how to put on eyeliner that makes it simple and easy. And it looks fabulous. And you don't have to draw a perfect line. I can't. I was never good at art class. And the other thing too is the whole idea of eyeliner is to make your lashes look thicker. Yeah, to give them more oomph, to give them more base. That's the idea of eyeliner, and to magnify the eyes. We don't want our eyeliner to make our eyes look smaller, and that's why we don't circle the whole eye. We never put it around the hallway, otherwise we're going to look like this. Not good, okay? So, first thing we do is this. These are your eyelashes. Okay, see, eyelashes. Hard to see mine. They're fine and thin. That's why I need eyeliner. Okay? What we're doing is we're actually, notice, I'm not going, we are not making a straight line. This is called feathering, okay? And what I'm doing, I'm trying to look in the mirror and do is I am just feathering between my lashes. In other words, tickle your lashes. Can you see the difference already on both sides? Yeah. I'm just tickling. Now, does it take a little practice? Probably. Notice, that's it. Can you see the difference already? And all I did was get in there and just tickle my eyelashes. Yeah. That's all. Now, if I want to make it more prominent and thicker, I might come above and put some more on right above my eyelashes. But you're going to notice, see? It's not perfect. What I love about mascara is you won't be able to tell it's not perfect, right? So, now I made it thicker on that side. Me, I just enjoy, here we go, all I'm doing again is just going in there. And I'm just tickling in between my eyelashes, that's it. Notice, not a perfect straight line. Okay? By the way, always keep, I'm throwing things. Always keep these around. All right? I like the ones that are more pointed. There you go. Now, as I said, if I want to, I can add a little bit more right above that. But you don't have to, because see, it highlights the eyes. Now, for underneath, again, we do not go the whole way across. We don't put it inside here on the waterline. No, because that causes infection. But again, we're doing the same thing. Tickling the lashes. That's correct. So, we start the outer. Right out here. I have to open my mouth when I do that. Sorry. Notice, I didn't go the whole way across. There you go. On this side, Again, I'm just feathering it right where the lashes are. That's it. That's how easy it is to put on eyeliner. Just stick with it. And you know, the best part is this, is you want to make it look even thinner? You can go like that. And clean it up a little bit in underneath if you want to. Clean it up a little bit on top if you want to. Again, I like these type. They're not Q-tips, they're more of a thin and long one. So, there you go, your eyeliner. And then, pick your favorite mascara to finish it off with, and ta-da! Perfect eyeliner. No muss, no fuss, no stretch in the eyes, not all over the place. Okay? There you go.